It's the question on many people's mind. When will stay-at-home orders be lifted? When can millions of people go back to work? Well, the answer, the governor says, just isn't so simple. 5 full weeks of the stay-at-home order in California that have caused 2.5 million people to lose their jobs. And despite growing calls to relax restrictions statewide, tonight Governor Gavin Newsom says, sorry, we're not there yet.
There's no date. If there's a date, then we're denying the facts on the ground. We're denying the reality of the spread of the virus. We have tried to make it crystal clear that there is no light switch.
The governor says California has much more work to do before we relax stay-at-home orders, like more testing. Right now, there are 16,000 people a day being tested. He wants 60,000 to 80,000 a day. And the governor wants to hire and train 10,000 people to form tracking and tracing teams. They will monitor everyone who gets infected, their families, and their friends. There is one step forward tonight. Hospitals can resume surgeries. Cancer treatments and organ replacements were suspended mid-March. I spoke to Dr. Vijay Trisal from the City of Hope tonight. And although they didn't have to postpone procedures there, many other hospitals did.
There's never a good time to have cancer. But during COVID-19, it is the worst time to have any disease, worst of all cancer. It's very comforting to hear that.
And some more good news tonight. Testing is expanding in LA. It will now be available for all essential workers with or without symptoms. That includes first responders, health and grocery store workers, and critical government employees.
And we want to make sure that they are healthy, that they have the peace of mind of knowing they're healthy, and because they interact with so many people, that we can make sure that they're not spreading.
Tonight, LA County public health officials do say although coronavirus cases aren't going down, they do seem to be leveling out, and the only way to keep them that way is to continue social distancing. Reporting for KCAL 9 News, I'm Leslie Marin.